and alongside me, my esteemed co-anchor, V. Suhasini. Now, without further ado, let us begin by welcoming the dignitaries who have taken time out by their busy schedule to be with us. It's an honor for me to introduce to you our guest, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Ghosh sir. Dr. Pradeep Kumar Ghosh sir is a director in UTD CSVTU Bhilai. He has done his PhD in Environmental Engineering from Pandit Ravi Shankar University, Raipur. He has total 37 years of experience, serving as a principal for last 15 years, served as a joint director in academics in head of the department in civil engineering at BIT Durg for 21 years, and served as a lecturer in M. Patel College of Engineering, Gondia for 2 years. He has many research and development works like detection of fluoride in Rajnandgaon, assess the pollution load in rivers, various testing and projects assessment for state, road projects for PMGSY, soil investigation projects by SAIL, Power Grid Corporation Kumari, project for concrete mix design.
Participants and my dear student. It is really a matter of great pride and privilege to especially welcome Dr. P.K. Ghosh as the primary speaker for the first session of this Atal FDP and also as the chief guest of this inauguration program. I also welcome all the participants who came from outside the college to attend this FDP. Faculty development programs are the integral part for the development of all the faculty members. Over a period of time, I have seen that when I became lecturer, first of all, initially in 1991, at that time, FDP was very important and it was promoted. Today also it was promoted by all the government agencies, whether it may be ICT, UGC or whatever it may be. But at that time the seriousness was too much. I think Dr. P.K. Ghosh sir will agree on that. We used to, means in a year, at least 2 to 3 FDP we definitely do. We go to different IITs, NITs and on different emerging technologies, 2-week FDP, summer faculty development program. We say it as a summer school, winter school, 2-week summer school, then in winter also 2-week winter school. Sometimes 1 month program are also there. And there I have seen that teachers also taught us very nicely and seriously, and even all the participants attend that program very sincerely so that they can gain knowledge on the emerging technology and they can disseminate that knowledge for the development of the students and for their own growth also. Atal FDP is also an initiative of All India Council of Technical Education to promote such type of faculty development program on the emerging technologies. I congratulate the Civil Engineering Department who have organized this FDP on a very important topic, that is advancement in geo-environmental engineering and sustainable infrastructure development. Although I am a man of computer science and engineering, but briefly I understand this topic also because both the topics, that is advancement in geo-environmental engineering and sustainable infrastructure developments, are deeply interconnected with each other, because both the field addresses the challenges of environment, sustainability and effective resource management. I feel like that. And as far as the advancement in geo-environmental engineering is concerned, I feel that definitely there might be certain type of techniques which can measure the impact of human action on the environment, especially the quality of the soil and the quality of the groundwater. These are the things which the advanced technique in geo-environmental engineering help us to evaluate. And when we understand these things, then definitely we can develop the sustainable infrastructure, so that the infrastructure or our action in developing that infrastructure will produce least adverse impact on the environment by using different type of techniques, maybe the recycled material or whatever it may be. So this is very important topic for the civil engineering faculty members as well as the student. I hope that over a period of time, in 1 week, you will gain a lot from this faculty development program, provided you listen each and every lecture very seriously and sincerely, and also do the revision at the end of the day at your home, that what you have taken today, and make the notes also. So I wish you all the best for this 1 week faculty development program. Once again, welcome Dr. P.K. Ghosh sir and each and every one of us. Thank you very much.
Good morning, I'm Dr. Manoj sir, Director General, RCT Bhilai. Good morning, Dr. P.K. Ghosh sir, Director CSU Bhilai. Good morning, all the dignitaries, all the HODs, all the deans. Many problems around us, such as that is arsenic contamination in water near about near about the villages. Also, I have seen that there is air pollution is there in the nearby areas due to the industrialization of the, for example, in Raipur and nearby villages. Also, there is increase in the population, and due to the increasing the population, many infrastructure development is going on. But there is least botheration about the waste that is generated during the construction and also after the construction when it is going to be demolished. And many more problems are there. So to give solutions to various environmental issues is for sustainable development, and many experts will be delivering lectures to enhance your knowledge, to reduce carbon footprints, and also the waste that is generated that can be reused for the further construction practices. So also I want that all the participants should attend all the sessions properly, and also the practical sessions that will be going on, and also the visit that we are going to visit in the water treatment plant, all should attend. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Respected Dr. Manish, Dr. Jain, faculty members, and my dear students. It's a matter of proud privilege for me that you have invited me for a as an expert lecturer, but I feel like I am also just like you, learning since almost 38, 39 years. Few things I have learned, maybe by experience and my studies, that I will be sharing with you, and of course, I would love to have something input from you as well. I congratulate the department for giving me an opportunity and taking up a topic under this Atal FDP, a very important topic which is very much important as on date. Not going into the much details of this, we will be discussing later, but the sustainability is something that has been realized and it is very much need of the day. In general, if we say about sustainability, don't go by the words and the definition. Whatever our needs are today, we are going to fulfill, but it should not be at the cost of the future. That is future and the future generation. So that is what broadly the meaning of the sustainability is. And for that, the steps has to be taken today itself. If we are not going to take the remedial measures or think in that direction, it will be too late. So this type of programs are very, very important, and I'm sure that you all will be benefited by this. As I said that I am also a learner. A lot many things, sir said very rightly that earlier the opportunities were not so many. I mean, as of now, the Atal, that is the LCT is also sponsoring so many programs. But when we were like assistant professor, lecturer, or reader at that time, so many programs were not there. So we used to target that, okay, next summer or next winter, because holidays are also, or the leave is also an issue. So we used to target that it has to be respective subject. And I remember I had been to Jaipur and Mangalore for attending these programs. And at that time it was, of course, serious. I don't say that today you are not serious, but at that time we used to reach there at least one day before and start traveling back after a day, so that we learn a lot and we can also contact. One of the things that I learned from there, one of the experts said that how many of you are having registered for PhD? At that time, it was not, the people were not so serious. It was simply if you are even MTech, it was enough. And then he said that, okay, you start from today itself. You start thinking that what you can do in the research. So somebody asked in what way to start. So he said simply you look at the problem. Whatever the problems are coming to you or in society, and just think of how the solution to that can be. So really, if such kind of problems are attended, that is going to give you a realistic solution for the social engineering. Social engineering means the social problems, not that the caste, creed and all that, but from that engineering aspect. So same thing I would also request, again, now the opportunities are so many that you have even the research center in your institute. So every one of you must think of in that direction. We'll talk much later about the particular topic, and once again I thank the organizers for inviting me over here and making a part of this wonderful program. I see not many faculties, the world is so small, so not many students, some faculty members who were associated with me, some faculties from my present institute. So I feel proud and happy to be here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now let's ready for an interesting learning experience that will change, inspire, and empower us to bring new ideas back to our classrooms.